My streak is lost.
Don't worry, Leadfoot. I'm not gonna let you down. Over the river and through the woods, the shortcut the louse we go.
What? A tow booth?
$1 to use the bridge, bub.
That's my last buck.
I'll also need a smog toll. Your clothing, tire toll, your tires, speeding toll, your engine block, the deed to your house, your false teeth, and the film rights to your life story. Alrighty then. Hey, you didn't say please.
Please, now can I cross the bridge to get to the other side?
Sorry, friendo. No shirt, no shoes, no service. What's it take to get rid of this?
Here they come down the straightaway, and I wonder who's... Whoa! Holy backseat drivers! Leadfoot is back behind the wheel! More or less.
I got you now, Deadfoot.
Okay, boys. The boss wants us to hit it into reverse.
But what's this? It looks like Leadfoot can't get his car across the finish line. What a finish! Leadfoot and Woody Woodpecker have done it. Car number 9 streak is headed for the record books.
But this is a tragedy. I was tricked and wronged and false in befouling ways.
Well, we did it, Woody. Boy, howdy. We kept number 9 streak alive. Yee-haw!